It is as clear as daylight that without the alleged 10 witnesses giving testimony in the Bushiri extradition case, the much talked about extradition of Shepherd Bushiri and his wife will be up in smoke. Magistrate Madalitso Chimwaza is expected to rule on Monday 22nd August 2022 as to whether the 10 witnesses should be present in Malawi to give their testimony before the courts in Malawi or testify via video conferencing in South Africa. The state maintains that for safety and security of the witnesses and also the high cost of transporting all the witnesses to Malawi, it will only make legal sense to give testimony under supervision in South Africa. The defense also hold out that since the case was a civil matter and not a criminal matter, it was imperative that they employ for Malawi for their testimonies to be heard. After hearing the submissions from the two lawyers, Magistrate Madalitso Chimwaza rests with the power to determine whether the witnesses stay in South Africa due to the high cost of travel or be in Malawi for their testimonies to be heard in court in the civil matter.
But insofar as extradition laws are concerned, a person will not be extradited if that person will not face a fair trial. So the main emphasis here is, will the Bushiris have a fair trial? And if that is the case, then they should be brought back. But if there's evidence showing indeed that they will be prejudiced in any way, then the extraditing country may not extradite them. The common reasons around that is for the reasons of race, gender, religion, etc., or political opinion. And in this case, none of those have actually been cited, except the fact that they fear that they will not have a fair trial, and attempts have been made on their lives, and they fear for their own safety within South Africa.
The defense has made its point clear that it will not trust testimonies to be heard from South Africa via video conference. In clear and simple terms, should the magistrate ask the witnesses to jet into Malawi, the case could be grinding to an end, since the state has said that the cost involved for the witnesses could not be met.
I hear what they're saying today, that witnesses cannot come despite the ruling that the magistrate had made on the 29th of March in this year that the witnesses must come over according to the law. I was not surprised, not shocked. This also confirms my statement that I've been saying, that what I was passing through in South Africa was persecution, not prosecution.
However, if the magistrate were to allow for testimonies online, we could be in for a long saga in an extradition which is nearly 20 months old. What next in this extradition?